Not even a day has passed since Apple revealed the iPhone 17 series. However, the focus is already turning to Samsung's upcoming major release, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to a recent report, Samsung's forthcoming Ultra may potentially regress with its 3x telephoto zoom camera. Earlier, rumors that Samsung would switch to a new 12-megapixel sensor for the 3x telephoto lens had sparked enthusiasm. People were naturally expecting closer-ups and a finer zoom. However, reliable leaker Ice Universe claims that Samsung would not fully utilize the 12-megapixel capability. Alternatively, the business might reduce it to a mere 10 megapixels. According to the source, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's 3x telephoto will include a 10-megapixel maximum, an f/2.4 aperture, a 13.94-inch sensor, and 1.0mm pixels. Although the Galaxy S25 Ultra configuration, which also featured a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, may seem similar at first, the minutiae make all the difference, and this move may provide users a worse overall experience. For comparison, the Galaxy S25 Ultra had a 13.53-inch, 10-megapixel sensor with somewhat larger 1.112mm pixels. More light is caught by larger pixels, which typically results in images that are sharper and brighter. By reducing the size to 1 million pixels, the telephoto on the S26 Ultra may not perform well in low light, which could make zoomed-in images appear less striking than they were previously. Positively, previous reports indicate that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will retain its recognizable S Pen, have a more streamlined and elegant design, and eventually support 60W charging. Nevertheless, Samsung's upcoming Ultra is ushering in a new era of sleekness for camera fans, where comfort and elegance coexist without sacrificing that recognizable premium charm. Ice Universe claims that the Galaxy S26 Ultra is undergoing a sophisticated redesign. This time, Samsung is smoothing the edges, in contrast to the boxier, sharper S25 Ultra. The phone feels smoother in your palm and still looks elegant because to the center frame's more organic curvature. The S26 Ultra is even thinner than the 8.725mm body of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, measuring only 7.9mm. The S26 Ultra is still a real beast. Samsung's third-generation anti-reflective glass makes a huge 6.9-inch display shine brighter than ever before, reducing glare and enhancing color vibrancy. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.